Bryson, out of 835. Let's see how you think of Tom. He kind of looks like you. Is that a kitty? Oh, Tom does the roll around thing. That's a good initial reaction. You can drop the lead. See what it is. Bryson. Yeah. He's totally ignoring Tom. Well, if you hold him, I'll let Tom out.
All right. Everybody.
You want to see the kitty? You're such a good boy. I like this dog. He's a good boy.
My name is Zara.
Zara's still with me. I'm boarding her. Tom, do you want to come out for this boy? I'll put the kennel back a little bit. Yeah. Moving forward. Let's say hi to Tom. Tom is not too impacted by it. Go say hi. Not to me. Tom wants to say, Tom wants to say hi. Tom doesn't come out if he feels threatened. Yeah, he lives with many dogs, so and there's many dogs rotating in there. Good boy. Good boy.
He's doing good.
He's doing really good. You want to play? He's like, oh, well, I want to play or not. Tom walks up to him. Oh, I don't like it when they stiffen up.
Good boy.
Tom is purring. You want to sniff him on the butt? There you go. That's how doggies say hi. That's not. Oh, kitties do it too, though. It's just, and they really stick their nose in each other's like, what are you doing? And then they go, like they smelled something really bad.
Good boy.
Good boy. Tom. Bryson, you're not even neutered. Oh my gosh, you're not even neutered and you're this good. What a good boy. Yeah, he seems, look, he may have been around kitties. So hard to film when you're that close, honey. But Tom likes you. I like you. Yeah. I have to get up. That's too close for camera. Tom, you're special. It's like, all right, I know. Back in the hole I go.
Good boy.
Good boy, Bryson. Well, a volunteer's looking to adopt him if he's good with cats, so I'm going to just let it go for, it's only 3 minutes, but still.
Okay.
And once he gets fixed, see, Tom is seeking his company. Tom, I wish I knew what causes your baldness there. It goes through spurs of that. You have a sore on your foot, baby. Well, I see no. Do you see issues?
No, not really good.
Depends on the cat too. I mean, Tom is not one to slap him. He'll just roll over and go, goes like that, even if